The cryptocurrency market is about to launch and launch crazy. I think the opportunity that we have presenting itself right now and the opportunity to enter the markets and potentially change your life within the next 3 to 4 months, the opportunity presenting itself to change your life within the next 3 to 4 months is actually crazy based off of historical data. Alt season after presidential year tends to happen in Q1 and a bit of Q2. So basically the best months for crypto and ETH especially, which will lead other altcoins, is between January and April. It led to the best returns. Now I even tweeted this. I tweeted this. I'm bullish for the next 2 to 3 months, and this is a golden opportunity to get into the crypto markets here and get out in the next 2 to 4 months, up 5x on your net worth if you choose the right coins. Now, starting with the meme coin over here, Hood is obviously a meme coin that follows the Robinhood stock. The market cap is at 45 million, and this is just consolidating since its launch a few days ago and can reach easily 450 million, which is a 10x from here. I have my eyes on this, and I'm looking for an entry around 30 to 35 million market cap if I can get it. And if I don't get it, I will probably buy the breakout over here. So once this breaks out, I'll probably buy into the breakout. And I'm waiting for this buy zone over here around 30 mil-ish. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Now, if you go over to BTC, getting sold off a bit today. Still choppy in the zone, but we are holding this trend line that has been active since the Trump pump in mid-November. And we are holding this demand off of around 90k. We keep bouncing off of this one time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, now 8th time, and we are holding this trend line like I said. Now I'm anticipating a breakout over 106,000 in the next 2 weeks. Why? We have NFP tomorrow on Friday, which is a big market mover, non-farm payroll. The job data has been pretty bullish for the market as of late, and I anticipate a breakout in crypto. Normally after Chinese New Year, which is the second week, sometimes third week of February, we do get our alt season, which is what happened in 2021. We do get a big breakout, and a lot of money does flow into the market. We also have a full moon, I believe, on the 12th. Obviously, I don't believe in all that stuff, but it does align with crypto. So I believe we have a bullish, positive pivot sometime this week. I think the lows are in, and we will see a big rally in the cryptocurrency market. RSI has not been this low, dropping under 40 since the September sell-off and the carry trade sell-off in August. So very good buying opportunity on BTC here. ETH is also holding this falling wedge setup, and I know a lot of people hate ETH, but the setup is still pretty bullish in my opinion. We have an inverse head and shoulder building here. We have this trend line, and if this breaks out, we easily see new highs in a few weeks on ETH. Target between $7,000 and $8,000 on ETH. Now, Charting Guy is actually probably one of my favorite accounts on Twitter. This guy is spot on every single time with crypto markets, and he's showing that BTC dominance hasn't been this high since ever, and we haven't been this oversold since pre-election shakeout, and then you guys know what happened after that. We were straight mooning for basically 2 to 3 weeks, so non-stop. So it is a good time to enter the markets at the moment. My bets at the moment are on Coinbase, which is currently just consolidating here and waiting for a breakout over 300 to eventually have my final target of 430 hitting by end of March in my opinion. Now I'm positioned in August 500 calls pretty heavily, also Connell shares, just to diversify my risk, but I'm very confident in the coin setup. We are building higher highs and higher lows. We are just waiting for Bitcoin and Ethereum to just start rallying hard. So this is just chopping around over here. Nothing to be concerned about. Also building higher highs and higher lows here. The Bitcoin miners tend to rally the hardest once ETH breaks out. So we still haven't seen a powerful breakout from ETH in this bull run, and I'm anticipating this in the next leg up. These crypto miners will likely reach very high targets. My minimum target is 23 on CLSK, 28, 32, and 50 as my final target. Mara is another one that I have a small position in June call options, 30 calls. My first target on this breakout is 28, 30, 44, and I do think we could reach 80, which is the previous all-time high. Everything is just chopping around on BTC plays. I'm waiting for the weekly close just to see the direction that we're heading in, but I am very confident that we will be much higher in the coming month. My initial target is 128,000 on Bitcoin. This next leg up should be led by ETH and altcoins. BTC dominance should drop, so it should be very explosive, and we'll finally see a lot of big returns on altcoins since they've been literally bleeding this whole crypto market. So I'm waiting on the weekly close. I think the chop is basically done after this week, and we're going to be seeing a lot of money flow into riskier assets such as BTC and IWM, which is actually looking very good on the weekly as well. We kind of broke out this mini downtrend and finally made a higher high on shorter time frames. So IWM historically has led to huge market rallies when it breaks out of previous all-time highs, which the previous all-time high is at 240. We haven't been able to break that since 2021. So a new all-time high on IWM alongside Bitcoin rallying very hard will send crypto stocks through the roof. Crypto miners especially, I think, will make the most money on this next leg up. Now, just going through the markets, Tesla is dumping hard today. This 360 zone is kind of my line in the sand. So if we lose this 360, I will cut my position on the paper account. If we lose this 360 area and don't reclaim it by tomorrow, which we probably can, and Tesla loves to trap shorts, so we obviously broke this double bottom, but reclaiming that 375 area will lead to a huge short squeeze and probably breakout. Tesla loves to do this, so I'm still holding a position. I just know how Tesla moves. Nvidia, the market leader, is actually looking very good at the moment. It reclaimed the 200 MA, which is huge and very bullish for stocks that tend to hover around 200 MA. So we fell under it, reclaimed it, and should see a rally to mid 150s again, and probably a new all-time high on Nvidia, which should lead the indexes to new all-time highs as well. We are very close to breaking out of this basically 3-month chop of around 300 points on SPX. So technically speaking, 6100 breaks. Our new target would be 6400, and I do see an extended target of 6500 on the SPX, which will probably be led by the Qs. The Qs look even better. We have higher highs on shorter time frames and higher lows currently. We're just waiting to break out from this huge chop since November, and we likely see 550 on QQQ easily. I do think we could rally to like 580 by April, May. So I'm very bullish, as you guys can tell, on the markets for the next coming months. I will see what happens. Obviously, that's just my bias based off seasonality and everything. I think it's a very good time to be in the markets at the moment, but it will probably be a very painful summer. So I'll keep you guys posted on all that. I'm obviously going to make updating videos every single day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.